If you're a Houston business owner, listen up. Cybersecurity just got a whole lot trickier. In October 2024, a flaw in Microsoft's multi-factor authentication called AuthQuake left millions vulnerable to brute force attacks. Scary, right? But don't worry, Impress IT Solutions has your back. Here's how AuthQuake exposed businesses. Unlimited brute force attempts, no alerts for failed logins, and extended code validity. It's a hacker's playground. Impress IT Solutions in Houston ensures this doesn't happen to you. They enforce proper MFA configurations by limiting failed attempts, locking accounts after multiple failures, and sending real-time alerts. They also conduct risk assessments with simulation tests and proactive patching. Plus, they educate your team on secure practices and credential management. Impress IT Solutions isn't just about tech, they're about trust. With 24/7 monitoring and customized solutions, they keep your business safe from evolving threats. Stay one step ahead with Impress IT Solutions. Contact them today to fortify your defenses, team.